miss the trees, I miss the waves. Fly me up higher, take me to the motherland. I've been away, I've been afraid to come back home, to come back home, home. I miss the trees, I miss the waves. Fly me up higher, take me to the motherland. I've been away, I've been afraid to come back home, to come back home, to come back home, to come back home, to come back home. I'm afraid to go back home, to go back home, to go back home.
Turn back, I would tell younger me, take the time that you need just to breathe. Back then when we never had a worry, we were so naive. When I was a younger girl, I wasn't so hardened by the world. Why did I wanna be older? Now our youth is over. I've got low hopes, I have little to no expectations. Whatever happens is gonna happen. I can't believe I grew so cold. We spent our whole lives wanting to just grow up. Can't turn back the clock. I used to have so much love. So cruel. Family barely had enough to get by. I used to think the limit was the sky. My imagination seemed to fade away, and I know I've seen better days. Wanna be innocent again, seen too much and I've lost a lot of friends. Never liked to watch my tongue, said what I wanted just to anyone. I miss being a kid, I never should have focused on trying to fit in. Being different was something that I should have cherished. I regret not listening more to my parents. I've got low hopes, I have little to no expectations. Whatever happens is gonna happen. I can't believe I grew so cold.